What if I told you that in 2025 you could start making real money with AI? No coding, no tech degree, just your laptop. Forget the old rules. The people winning now are those using AI tools to their advantage. This isn't a fantasy, it's happening right now, and every day you wait, you're missing out. I'll show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to use AI to earn money from anywhere, step by step, with the exact tools and strategies. We'll cover everything from viral content to selling art you didn't even draw. Ready to change your financial future? Let's dive in. First up, content creation. Every business and influencer needs content, and AI lets you deliver it fast. With ChatGPT, you can generate blog posts, social media updates, or scripts in minutes. No more writer's block. For visuals, Canva's AI features help you design stunning graphics and carousels, even if you're not a designer. Here's the play. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, find clients needing content, and use AI to deliver high-quality work quickly. Charge $30, $100 per Instagram carousel that takes you 20 minutes to make. Use ChatGPT for text, Canva for design, export, deliver, and get paid. Video? Tools like InVideo AI can create entire videos from a single prompt, stock footage, music, voiceover, all done for you. Sell these to businesses or start a faceless YouTube channel. Position yourself as an AI-powered content specialist. No fancy degree needed. Land just 5 clients needing 4 carousels a month at $50 each, and you're making $1,000 a month for a few hours work. Master ChatGPT and Canva. Create your gig, find clients, and let AI do the heavy lifting. This is your entry ticket into the AI gold rush. Don't miss it. Can't draw? No problem. With AI art generators like Midjourney or DALL-E, you can create stunning original images from simple prompts. Imagine a cyberpunk cat on a neon throne. Type it in, and AI creates it instantly. Use print-on-demand services like Printify or Redbubble to put your AI art on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Connect your Printify account to Etsy, create listings, and when someone buys, Printify handles printing and shipping. You never touch the product, just collect the profit. Focus on a niche: dog lovers, yoga fans, fantasy maps. AI lets you create endless variations and see what sells. Digital products like AI-generated coloring books or art bundles are hot sellers. Bundle, upload, and sell for instant download. The more designs you have, the more chances to earn passive income. Steps: generate art with Midjourney, upload to Printify, connect to Etsy, and start selling. Some people make $2,000 a month or more doing this part-time. Find your niche, create, and let AI art work for you. You could have your first product live in an hour. What are you waiting for? Want bigger paydays? Build and sell AI chatbots to small businesses, no coding required. Tools like Tidio, ManyChat, or BotPress let you create chatbots with drag-and-drop simplicity. Every business gets repetitive questions. AI chatbots answer them 24/7, book appointments, and capture leads. Learn a platform, then reach out to local businesses without chat features. Offer a demo. I build AI chatbots that save you hours and capture more customers. Charge $500, $1,000 for setup, plus a monthly maintenance fee. Just 2 clients a month equals $2,000 in setup fees, plus recurring income for updates. Use ChatGPT integration to make your bots smarter and charge premium rates. Steps: master a chatbot platform, find businesses, pitch your service, and set up recurring revenue. You're not just a freelancer, you're solving real business problems with AI. Build your agency, scale fast, and let AI power your growth. This is how you go from side hustle to serious income. Next up, AI-powered crypto trading. Warning: there's risk, so never invest more than you can lose. Platforms like 3 Commas or Krill.io let you set up trading bots. No coding, just simple settings. Bots trade 24/7, following your strategy without emotion. Use demo mode to test your bot with fake money. Don't go live until you see consistent results. Start small, aim for steady returns, and let profits compound. Copy proven strategies from top traders or set up your own. Tools like Token Metrics use AI to analyze thousands of coins, giving you an edge. Steps: sign up, test in demo mode, use AI research, and go live with a small amount. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to let AI work for you in the markets. Some users earn $100, $500/week depending on capital and strategy. Be smart, be patient, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. This is a powerful tool for building wealth if you use it wisely. Want passive income? Promote AI tools as an affiliate and earn recurring commissions. Most AI software like Jasper, Pictory, or Canva offers affiliate programs. Sign up, get your unique link, and earn every month someone you refer stays a customer. Create helpful content, YouTube videos, TikToks, or blogs, showing how to use these tools. For example, how I made 10 viral TikToks in 20 minutes with Pictory AI. Place your affiliate link in the description. When viewers sign up, you get paid. Just 10 signups at $6/month each is $60/month from one video. Scale up with more content and tools. Each video or post becomes a digital asset earning you money 24/7. Be authentic. Create tutorials, reviews, and case studies that provide real value. Steps. Pick your favorite AI tools. Join their affiliate programs, create valuable content, and share your links. Rinse and repeat for long-term snowballing passive income. The more you help, the more you earn. Build your digital army and let AI tools pay you. Here's your bonus. Combine all 5 methods into one automated income machine. Build a faceless YouTube channel in a hot niche: finance, health, history. Use ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory or InVideo AI for video creation. Upload consistently. Let AI handle 90% of the work. In every video description, add affiliate links for AI tools and links to your Etsy store selling AI art. Make videos reviewing tools, driving affiliate income, and selling your own products. As your channel grows, use it as a portfolio to land high-ticket chatbot clients. Each part feeds the others. Content drives views, views drive sales, authority brings clients. This is the ultimate flywheel: multiple income streams, all automated by AI. Build it once and let the machine work for you. There you have it, 6 powerful ways to make real money with AI, no tech skills needed. Pick one method, commit for 30 days, and get your first dollar online. Start small, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting. The opportunity is massive, but you have to take action now. Which AI money method will you try? Comment below. I want to hear your plans. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.